My name is Robert Farrell. I'm the training cell team leader here at Reliance Precision in Huddersfield. My role is looking after the apprentices that are currently going through the scheme. We have around about 20 apprentices going through right now. We've been taking on apprentices now for over 50 years. It's a vital part of the business, not only to sustain growth, but for expansion plans as well. We have a positive working relationship with Kirklees College. We send all our apprentices there, and what they do is they deliver elements of the level 2 and the level 3 qualification, as well as the HNC. I would encourage local employers to consider working with Kirklees College. I've personally found them very responsive to any of my requests, and it's helped us build a successful apprenticeship scheme.